Imagine turning the pain of a Brazilian wax into glowing, fully recovered skin, in hours. Traditional gels and balms soothe the surface, but they don't fix the problem at its core. Today, we explore exosome therapy, healing at the cellular level. Most post-wax products promise instant relief, but they only touch the outer layer of skin. Waxing causes microscopic trauma deep in the dermis. This trauma triggers redness, swelling, and long-lasting irritation. Soothing gels and aloe can't reach these damaged cells. To truly heal, skin needs a solution that reconstructs tissue from within. Exosomes are tiny, naturally occurring extracellular vesicles. Think of them as the body's master messengers. They carry precise instructions from healthy cells, telling damaged skin how to repair and regenerate. Unlike traditional creams, exosomes bypass the skin barrier efficiently. They deliver a blueprint for immediate healing at the cellular level. The result? Skin knows exactly how to recover faster and stronger. Exosomes don't just soothe, they trigger rapid collagen production. This strengthens the skin barrier within hours, not days. They also suppress inflammatory cytokines, reducing redness and swelling almost instantly. Cells shift metabolism to prioritize structural repair. The result is supercharged post-wax recovery. Applying exosome-enriched serums is simple, but precise. Freshly waxed skin is highly permeable, allowing biosignals to penetrate instantly. Redness fades, heat reduces, and the skin's protective layer restores. Clinical data shows recovery time can be cut by over 50%. Post-wax care becomes faster, smarter, and safer. The benefits don't stop at immediate relief. Regular exosome therapy prevents chronic irritation and hyperpigmentation. Waxing transforms from a painful chore to a premium biohacked ritual. Science plus routine ensures skin recovers faster, stronger, and more resilient. Ready to elevate your post-wax recovery? Embrace the science of exosomes and transform your skin. Subscribe for cutting-edge health insights, and hit the bell, because the future of skincare starts